Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video we're going to be talking about my BOXYCHARM unboxing. So it's the 18th. It's pretty late, but I usually get my box around this time. I know what I'm getting because I usually pick on, you know, the Instagram, and I go to like my subscription, is it my subscription addiction.com, or I think something like that. But yes, I literally cannot wait until I get my box every month. So I'm not going to be applying anything on my face because it's really late at night and I need to go to sleep, but I wanted just to do this video so I can upload it as soon as possible. I have my scissors right here, so I'm gonna open it. This is going to be a very short video. So the box for this month look like this. So the first thing on the box I see is this, let me see, the primer. So it's a Pores No More Luminizer Primer Base Lumiere, Dr. Brent. So I never have purchased anything from the brand before. The things that I have from this brand are other products I've got in BOXYCHARM, which is this one. I think it was like I think it's like the retail price for this is like, I believe it's like 40 something, or maybe from 40 to 60, I think. And another thing we got in the box a few months back was this one too. I believe Kathleen Light said that it was a great primer, and I mean, her skin is beautiful, so I'm not sure if it's a primer or if it's just her face. And the next thing on the box I see is this big guy right here, and I know it's a eyeshadow palette. So it comes like this, Glam Metals from Crown. Okay, so it goes like this. I like the packaging. It's really nice. So let me see. So I'm just gonna open it, and it looks like this, and it has a little mirror. So yeah, it is my bathroom. Next thing in the box is this GIRLACTIK Beauty, a matte lip paint. Alright, and the color, you see the color? Okay, let me see. Oh, nice. I don't have a GIRLACTIK Beauty. I don't have anything from GIRLACTIK. I'm really glad that I ever thought of subscribing to BOXYCHARM. I really appreciate that BOXYCHARM put a lot of effort and a lot of good things in the box every single month. Sometimes I don't like every single thing, but probably 5 of the things that they sent, maybe one I don't like, but it is no waste because I always give that to my mom or my sister. So the lip GIRLACTIK, so it's a kind of like brownish color. If you can focus, there you go. The next thing I do have here is a brow powder, sorry, the It Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. The packaging looks like this. It's a very nice packaging. And oh, how it has a spoolie. And so, and it has the pencil itself. So here it is. Alright, I will be, of course, be using this maybe tomorrow because I always do my brows. And the last thing on the box is, oh, sorry, I do have something written on my hand because I don't have any paper at the moment, but so it is this pure, what is it called? Pure bronzer, no, pure bronze and Brighten. Anyway, so this is the packaging, and let me see. It's a really nice packaging. It's like hard plastic. So it looks like this. Oh shit. So I believe, obviously this one is the bronzer, this one is a highlighter, and this one looks like a, it looks like a orange color, but it's supposed to be a blush. I seen, okay, I'm just gonna swatch these three, but that's it. Sorry. So I'm gonna start with the blush. Ooh. Then I'm gonna do the highlighter, and then I'm gonna do the bronzer. So I have these three colors, and then I'm gonna be doing a swatch in my other hand. So bronzer, highlighter, and the blush. Yeah, this looks totally orange. Yeah, look how pigmented and very nice looking these colors are. So far I liked every single thing I got on the box for this month. The first box of the year. I like it so far. Obviously I have not tried anything. It is not my final word on the products, so I will be trying these products very soon. I hope so during the weekend. Maybe I can do a video or something like that. But with that being said, I think I am done for tonight. I apologize that I couldn't swatch the other stuff, but it's just I do need to go to bed, and I probably maybe on the next BOXYCHARM box I will be applying them on my face while I go through the products. So I thank you for coming to my channel and just checking this out. Whenever you guys are watching this, I hope you have a great day, great night, great morning. We'll be putting all the description about the products that I just showed today in the description box below. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great one. Bye.